Welcome students in online class for the subject physics for 12th standard. Today we have learned chapter number 16, semiconductor devices. In this chapter we have seen numericals on logic gates. So the first numerical, it will be how will a 2 input and NAND gate work when both inputs are joined. See here, when both inputs, this input A and this input B, they are joined. This input A and this input B are joined. AND gate and NAND gate are shorted. Give their truth table, the circuit symbol, write their Boolean expression. See here, when two inputs are shorted in AND gate, only one input is there. That input is named as X. So X will be either A or B, so that in AND gate, when their input is shorted, it becomes NOT gate, and so that output becomes complement of A. The Boolean expression for this circuit, so output becomes complement of A. When NOT gate is there, there are two possibilities. Input A, input B, both are same. So the two possibilities, it will be either 0, 0 or 1, 1. If they are 0, 0 or 1, 1, then if input is low, output is high. If input is high, output is low, and that represents not truth table of NOT gate. But here in NAND gates, when two inputs A and B are shorted, they are joined together, it forms only one input, that is named as X. X will be either A or B. So here output, it will be Y. This NAND gate, when they are shorted, so output, this NAND gate becomes NOT gate, and so that output is complement of X. So here complement of X, when input A or B, A equal to 0 or B equal to 0, two possibilities are there. Input is low, input is high. When input is low, output will be high. When input is high, output will be low. So this represents truth table for NOT gate. Means from these two equations, AND gate where when their inputs are shorted, and NAND gate when their two inputs are shorted, it represents NOT gate. That is the Boolean expression for Y equal to complement of A, and that is the answer for this numerical. So another numerical will be asked like this: when how will two inputs or NOR gate works? See here, this is symbol for OR, this is symbol for NOR. Works when both inputs are joined or shorted. Prepare the truth table for following logic circuits and write their Boolean expression. Similarly, here two inputs, input A and input B, are shorted. So only one input is there. It has value A or value B. Only one input is there, so that this OR gate becomes NOT gate. This is the circuit for not. So output Y, it represents complement of A or complement of B. Means output, when we can prove or we can prepare truth table, so output Y, that is complement of A or complement of B. If A will be low, B will be low, or A will be high, B will be high. That is, these values either or gets either A or B. They are inputs. Means two possibilities are there. When input is low, output becomes high. When input is high, output becomes low. So that it represents NOT gate. Means OR gate whose inputs are shorted represents NOT gate. Whereas NOR gate, see here, NOR gate. What happens? When two inputs are shorted, it forms one input, X. X is equal to A, either A or B. That is one input. When one input is there, one output is there, so the circuit becomes NOT gate. This circuit is equivalent to NOT gate, and so that Y output for this circuit Y will be complement of A or complement of B. So that there are also two possibilities. One will be 0, 0 means low inputs or high inputs. When input is low, output is high. When input is high, output will be low. And this truth table varies the value for NOT gate. So NOR gate can also represent NOT gate when their inputs are shorted or when their inputs are joined together. The third numerical will be seen if equivalent logic gate of following circuit. See here, these three gates are given. These three gates having equivalent circuit like equivalent circuit like this is NOR gate having two inputs, one output. This is AND gate or NAND gate, which has two input when they are shorted and one output. Means this is NOR gate, this is NAND gate, and represents NOT gate. Means here the circuit combines three gates, one fundamental and two derived gates. One is NOR gate, another will be NAND gate, and third will be NOT gate. So that it represents when input will be A and B. So here output for NOR gate will be Y. Output for NAND gate, it represents Y dash, and output for NOT gate, it can represent Y double dash. So that for NOR gate, input A and B will be there. So for NOT gate, it has complement of A or B. Here for NAND gate, this NAND gate when inputs are shorted becomes NOT gate. When inputs are shorted, it becomes NOT gate. So that one input is there, that is A or B. Another input will be there, that will be output will be there, that will be y dash. So it represents NAND gate represents NOT gate. So output y dash, it will be A or B, or complement of complement A or B, which represents A or B. Again, NOT gate is there. This will represents NOT gate. So that here it represents complement of A or B. If a truth table is drawn, this truth table having the values input, there are 4 possibilities, that will be input will be A, B. So 4 possibilities will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, or low, 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 high, high, low, high, high. So their complement. So A complement of A, it becomes high, high, low, low. Complement of B, it represents high, low, high, low. So first Y, the output Y, it will be A or B, its complement. Means A or B, its complement. See here, A, B, A or B, it will be low, and its complement, it will be high. So that here A or B will high, its complement will be low. A or B will be high, its complement will be low. A, B will high, so that its complement is also low. But here y dash will be A or B, and y dash represents low, high, 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 or complement of complement. Means complement of high, it becomes low, low, it becomes high, low, high, low, high. And y double dash, it will be complement of A or B, will be high, low, low, low. So it will be represents the truth table, and this truth table will be same as NOR gate. This represents, the circuit represents NOR gate, means equivalent logic gate follows a circuit. That circuit, it will represents NOR gate, because its output Y becomes, or Y double dash, it becomes A or B, its complement. Again we can see another numerical. So before seeing the numerical, we have seen the law or the theorem. That theorem represents De Morgan's theorem. Using this theorem, a 2-input NAND gate. See here NAND gate is there. It has 2 input. Input A, input B. 2-input NAND gate may be expressed as Y represents A and B its complement. It may be expressed as A and B its complement. Whereas here OR gate is there. Input of OR gate is connected with NOT gate. Means if we can see this input is A, input becomes complement of A because NOT gate is connected. Here another input which is also connected to NOT gate. So it represents B complement. So OR gate, its output will be Y, becomes A or B. But here input will be complement A, complement B. So output becomes complement A or complement B. We can say that therefore output Y will be A and B its complement, which is equal to A complement or B complement. Means a rule can be seen when there is A and B complement is there, it represents complement A or complement B. That will be the first theorem for De Morgan's, or De Morgan's gives the first theorem. This represents NAND gate will also equal to NOR gate or OR gate. Whereas here OR gate is there which is connected to NOT gate, represents NOR gate, which has two input A and B and one output Y. So here Y represents A or B its complement. But here if AND gate is there or used whose input is connected to NOT gate, it has input complement of A, whereas another input which is connected to NOT gate having input complement B. So output will be A complement and B complement, means NOR gate and NAND gate having same output. Here A or B its complement is equal to complement A and complement B. These are the two rules which or two theorems which is given by De Morgan's. Using these two theorems we can solve some examples like this. When two NAND gates are, their inputs are joined, or input of NAND gates, they are combined. Write their Boolean expression and truth table of given circuit. So given circuit, here two NAND gates, one NAND gate is there whose inputs are shorted, inputs they are shorted, and another NAND gate is there whose inputs are shorted. So two NAND gates having two inputs, one input is named as A, another input is named as B. So here Y dash is will be complement of A, because this NAND gate represents NOT gate when their inputs are shorted. This NAND gate represents NOT gate, so output will be B complement. Here complement A and complement B are input of another third NAND gate. So their output Y represents complement A and complement B its complement. So complement A and complement B. Here we can also represent output complement A its complement and complement B its complement, means A and B. It represents A and B. Will also represents OR. It will represents A or B, means the circuit can represent OR gate, because using De Morgan's theorem, we can use De Morgan's theorem. Complement A, complement B, A and B, which is also equal to A or B its complement. So we can take an as OR gate, that will be A or B. So here if we can confirm by truth table, by using truth table, so here the four conditions are there. Input A and input B, when they are low, input A is low, input B will high, input A is high, input B is low, and both inputs are high. So complement of A, it will be high, high, low, low, and complement of B, it will be high, low, high, low. But here output will be OR gate, that will be A or B. So its output becomes low, its output becomes high, high, high. This represents the truth table for OR gate, so that the circuit which is given, this circuit can represent OR gate, means 3 NAND gates are used such that 2 NAND gates, their inputs are shorted, are combined to third NAND gate, so its output becomes same as OR gate. This example represents OR gates. Another example will be seen when two OR gates, when two NOR gates, this two NOR represents their inputs are shorted. Question will be, when two NOR gates are input of NOR gate, then write Boolean expression. Here combined, that becomes one input, that is A, and this NOR gate, its inputs are combined, it represents B. So here two inputs of NOR gate, these two inputs, actually here Y dash will be output for first NOR gate, Y dash will be output for second NOR gate. So here Y dash, it becomes complement of A, again Y dash becomes complement of B, means complement of A and complement of B are the two inputs for NOR gate, so that output Y, it becomes complement of A or complement of B its complement. And using De Morgan's theorem, it represents A and B. If we can verify the truth table, so that two inputs are there, A and B, having low values 0 0, one value will be low, another value will be high, one value will be high, another value will be low, and both values are high, so that it becomes high high low low, or high low high low. So output will be A or B, so that output becomes low 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 high. So when such type of circuit will be given, that circuit represents. So using De Morgan's theorem, output of the two NOR gates which are combined inputs are input of third NOR gate. So it will be the truth table for AND gate. So here this circuit can construct AND gate, which will be same truth table for AND gate. Similarly, when we see another example like this, another example will be, write the truth table for combination gate as shown below. See here, OR gate, AND gate, they are combined. OR gate has two inputs and one input is connected to AND gate, and output of OR gate, they are the two inputs for AND gate and represents output 1, that is Y. So here if we can simplify this circuit, like this, OR gate, here one output is A, sorry, one input is A, another input is B. This input A is here, input will be connected to AND gate, and here output of OR gate will be input of AND gate. So AND gate having output Y. See here, the OR gate having in output Y dash. So Y dash will be A or B. Here A will be input, A or B will be input of AND gate, so that Y output for AND gate, it will be A and A or B. That represents the output of the given circuit. So this is the Boolean expression. So here if we can verify the truth table, truth table has input A and B. So output for OR gate, it will be Y dash will be A or B, whereas output for AND gate, it will be A and A or B. So we can verify using the four possibilities: low low, low high, high low, high high. So here output y dash for OR gate, it will be low, it will be high, it will be high, will be high. And output for AND gate will be A or AND OR gate, A or B will be low, will be low, will be high, will be high. That gives the truth table for given circuit. Similarly, here another question will be expressed by using truth table the output for all possible input A and B in logic circuit as shown in figure. See here, this logic circuit will be AND gate. The input of AND gate is also the input of OR gate, and output of AND gate is also the input of OR gate. Here the equivalent circuit is also similar as here OR gate is there having output Y, and here input A for OR gate. This input A for OR gate will be the input of AND gate, and output of AND gate will be another input of OR gate, and here input of AND gate will be B. So it gives Y dash. Y dash will be A and B. A and B will be input and A will be also input. So Y for OR gate or output for OR gate will be A or A and B. So here if we can verify by using truth table. So truth table having two inputs A and B having four possibilities: low low, low high, high low, high high, and output will be A and B. Another output will be A or A and B. See here A and B, that will be low, 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 high. But here A or A and B. So here will be low, will be low, high and low, high or low, it will be high, high, high will be high. So this will be the truth table for given circuit. If another question will be given like this, write the truth table for Boolean equation, that will be y is equal to complement A minus B and complement A minus complement B. See here the truth table having input A, B. The AB has four possibilities, so that we can say that low, low high, high low, high high. So here we can say that the output, it will be A and A complement, A and A complement minus B and B complement. So here In question, the output y, it can also written as complement A and complement A and A minus B complement, which can be written as complement A and A minus in terms B and complement B. So here when inputs A and B is there and output Y is there, so first we want to complement A and complement B. Here high, high, low, low, that is the complement A. So A and A complement, it is high. A and A complement is high. A and A complement is high. A and A complement is also high. Similar here, complement B, high, low, high, low. So B complement will high. B and B complement is also high. B and B complement is also high. B and B complement is also high. So here A and A complement, B and B complement, their subtraction is there. So it will be low, it will be low, it will be low, it will be low. So when output is low, so here the equation given as output will be low. Either inputs are low or inputs are high, or either one input is high, another input is low, then output will be low by using the given Boolean equation. Assignment for your self practice gives 4 questions. Question number 1, the system is equivalent to one gate G with input XYZ input and output that will be given as R. What is the name of gate represents the following circuit diagram? If we can solve, then you get answer. That answer, it will be NAND gate. Second question is the logic circuit as shown below. The truth table as input A and B, output Y is there. So this truth table of the given circuit will be same as by solving with you, then you get answer. That answer, it will be given as AND gate. If you can practice, then your answer will be AND gate. Again, the third question will be Boolean expression for the gate given as following circuit as shown below. A, NOT gate is connected and this connected to AND gate. And what will be its output? By solving you, then you get answer. Output will be A and complement of A. A and complement of A given as the value 0. It gives the value 0. Fourth question will be Boolean algebra is essentially based on. Boolean algebra is essentially based on, and then you can write your answer. It will be logic. So this is the chapter logic gates. If you can more practice, so your doubts will be clear. Thank you.